Welcome to our channel. Today we how to protect your brand reputation with Yelp, complete guide step by step clearly. To protect your brand reputation on Yelp, start by creating and claiming your business listing. Ensure that all the information is accurate, including your business name, address, and phone number. Upload high-quality images that represent your business well. Maintain a consistent tone and voice across your listing and responses. Regularly monitor your Yelp page for new reviews. Respond promptly to both positive and negative reviews. When addressing negative reviews, remain professional and courteous. Offer to resolve issues offline by providing contact information. Express appreciation for positive feedback, emphasizing customer satisfaction. Use Yelp's tools, such as check-in offers, to encourage customer engagement. Encourage satisfied customers to leave reviews. Consider showcasing testimonials on your website or social media platforms. Stay informed about Yelp's guidelines and policies to avoid potential pitfalls. Track your Yelp metrics to gauge the effectiveness of your strategies. Analyze customer feedback to identify areas for improvement. Use this feedback to enhance your products or services. Engage with the Yelp community by participating in discussions and events. Build relationships with local influencers who can positively impact your brand. Highlight your commitment to customer service in your responses. Remember that reputation management is an ongoing process, not a one-time effort. By taking these steps, you can effectively safeguard your brand's reputation on Yelp. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.